Hi, Marta here. Welcome to my first ever unboxing video. I'll be unboxing the Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. It had a lot of packaging and boxes inside of boxes, but after a little bit of a struggle I managed to take it out and open it. It was super beautiful and I was scared to touch anything because I've never owned anything like this in my life. But I decided to start with the thing that looked the least valuable. The box on the top, it had some instructions and a charging cable. Then I took off the paper of the VR headset itself, and it was a super nice off-white color and the material was nice to the touch. Then I took out the plastic coverings, took out the glasses, spacer, and ran into my first problem. The charger was not the same as the ones we use, so I just settled on a simple USB-C phone charger, which worked just fine. There was a crowd outside while the Oculus was charging, so I waited until the light turned green and took off the plastics and stickers of the hand controllers, which was quite hard actually. Then I put on the Oculus headset, and after a bit of struggle with adjusting, I was ready to go. I decided on the cyber theme, and it was super weird to see your hands in there. You could see your fingers, the way they move. Thank you InnoVationGirls for this amazing opportunity, and I can't wait to start creating.